Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can enable mono audio in Windows 10 and 11. Now, the reason you'd ever want to turn this on is if you do have a broken headset where one side doesn't play, or a broken speaker, or doesn't play on the right or left side, you can turn on mono audio so that it will basically play from the speakers what would be playing on the right side as well. Mono audio is basically playing the same sound from both left and right. Now, this will ruin the quality of some music, and I do not recommend this for gaming at all, but I'm only here to show you how to do it, so stay tuned. To begin, we're on our Windows homepage. I'm going to open my Windows tab and go to Settings. From there, as you can see, we just want to, let me do this full screen. We're going to be finding the Ease of Access tab, Narrator, Magnifier, High Contrast. And from there we have multiple options. Do not worry. All we simply have to do is find the Hearing tab where it says Audio. Now here you can change your device volume, show audio alerts visually, and the setting we are looking for, which is mono audio. So once I turn this on, from now on, any YouTube video that I watch, I will hear what I'm hearing on my right side or my left side, and what I hear on my left side and my right side. Basically the same audio from both left and right. However, I'm going to be turning this feature off as I think it's not the best, especially since I have working devices and stuff. So anyways, that is how you turn on mono audio in Windows 10 and 11. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of Growmore Tech's tech tutorials. Other than that, I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Goodbye.